Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a loop to your animation on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the Animate button at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your gallery. New, go to the Animate button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find the last option, the Loop button, next to the Unfreeze option at the bottom of the screen. And here you can select Blend, Boomerang or Circular Loop option, and just select one, and you can add to your animation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.